Good morning, one and all present over here. Myself, Amit Aggarwal, Faculty of Management Department from IPM Group of Institution. And today I'm just going to discuss a topic that is based on business economics. And in the business economics, as we know, economics is totally concerned to the money aspects. And when we are using this concept of economics in our business world, so that is knowing as business economics. Today, I'm just going to discuss the topic in the business economics, which is based on scarcity and choice. As we know, economics is concerned to money aspects. So in the money aspects, we know कि human beings, it is a study of social science. Society, it is a study of society. And in the society, it means totally based on the study of human beings. As per the concern in the economics, we know human needs are unlimited, human wants are unlimited, and the resources always we have some scarcity. Sources are limited. And another point just need to be discussed, all the resources have alternate uses. So it means the choice comes to meet out all the needs. As per we know, human wants are unlimited and the resources, that is scarcity. So today my topic is scarcity and choice, how we are taking care in the economics about scarcity and the choice. Economics, as we know, in the study of human beings, all the human beings are have their own resources just to meet out their daily needs, wants, and how it is going to be converted in the form of demand. Human wants are unlimited. The reason is, as the one want is going to be complete, on the another side, at the same time, a new want is going to be generated. But when we move towards the resource aspect, so whatever the earning we have or what kind of resources we are going to be inculcate, but finally at last what we found, always the level of resources are limited. Guys, sometime as we know already I have discussed, it is study and it is a social science. So we feel it is simply the problem of mind, because I belong from such class like the middle class and the lower class, and other persons are feeling happy in their personal life. But if you go to the survey and if you find a data collection from your surrounding, from your neighborhood, from your particular different groups, so you find either the people are belonging from which class, upper class, middle class, and lower class. It is a common problem which exists all over the world. That is a scarcity of resources. Because what the income we have, accordingly, our wants are going to be created according to the same manner. So economics gives the solution of this problem, how to meet out all the needs and wants in the satisfaction way with the scarcity of the resources. So the solution comes as choice. How to draft the choice, and just to showing the choice from the existing resources, the question comes our behavior, human behavior. As we know, human behavior is very uncertain. Right. In the uncertainty, what the choice with the existing resources to complete our needs and wants, our behavior reflects. Just to which particular needs we are giving the priority. As we know, some needs are very important in our life as economics is concerned, right? Like the food, your water, your shelter, and some other basic needs, which is very important and essential part of any human being, right? So in this situation, how to meet out the choice? Choice means all the things are based on the particular behavior of any human being. And when we are applying this particular principle of economics in our business world, so it is known as business economics. So economics, that means scarcity of the resources and the unlimited wants, and all the alternate and the other resources have alternative. So choice plays an important role just to meet out with the unlimited wants and the limited resources. And again, in the business world, when the same principle and the same concept is using by any entrepreneur, just to meet out all the wants from the limited income of the particular business. So that also known as business economics. So scarcity and choice, I do not feel ki now it is a story of any particular individual. If you go to the survey, you'll find a data. So you'll find it is a common problem which is faced by every individual, every group, or any business, because wants cannot be limited. After completing the one want, definitely after passing some time, a new want is going to be generated. And if we talk about the income, definitely the problem comes, sir, our resources are very limited. So in case of wants, and again, when we come to the third point of the economics as demand is concerned, so want may be anything. Want may be like you want to purchase a Mercedes car, you want to go to some particular place. But if you want to complete all these wants into the form of demand, so the one important thing comes as money, resources. You can realize want may be anything, but demand cannot be anything. For the particular demand, you need to just pay out a particular money aspect and the resources to complete all the wants into the form of demand. So there is a major difference between the want and the demand. Just to complete all these wants into the form of demand, you must carry the three basic things. One, it is your want, like your desire. Second, it is your particular resources. And the third important aspect is willingness to pay. Sometimes we realize in our society, in our surrounding, people have demand, people have wants, they have particular money, but still not ready to pay. So in that case, again, the want is not going to be converted into the form of demand. So all these things are very important when we are studying a basic introductory sessions of any economics, as economics start with the basic introduction of like human behavior. As already we have discussed in the first line of our lecture, it is social science, it is a study of the society. So choice again plays a very important role when we know a particular concept of the society, that is on the one side we have unlimited wants, but on the another side we have limited resources. So these two different aspects of any individual life, how to come out a particular point is so that all the needs and wants can be satisfied, and when we can feel better. So how we can just meet out all these wants with the help of choice. And the same principle of economics, if you are using in the business for meeting out as a particular objective of your business, that is growth aspect as a profit concern. So definitely we have to follow the same principle, how to give the decision making and the choice with the completion of all those needs which are essential if business is concerned, like your raw material, like your machinery, like your electricity, like your employees, very important element of any organization, their salaries, right? All these things are as essential as already we told about, like some basic needs for any human being. So anyhow, if you are running a business, you are working as a businessman or entrepreneur, so you have to take care for all these basic needs which are essential and important just to take care and just to give a particular platform of any business. Again, the same things comes in the business. After completing all these basic needs, wants comes. Want may be anything from the side of any businessman. He want to give it the different lights and different level to their business. But again, the thing comes, to complete all these wants, you need money. If you want to convert these wants into the form of demand, so you need money, right? And again, we know there are some limitations, there are some scarcity of the resource. So for this scarcity, the third point comes choice. At right now, what are my priority? What things should be complete first, and what are those things which can be stand in the pipeline, so that the right decision making of any business can give the right growth to the businessman. So guys, this is the particular discussion today. I'm just sharing with you, that is what is exactly economics and how business economics and what are the basic concept of economics. That is a principle of economics, a core concept of economics one should follow if you are running a business as an entrepreneur. I hope you have enjoyed this particular session and the basic concept, core concept of economics, how it is important if you are running as an individual, as a group, as a household, as a business, or even if this concept is taken care by the economical aspect. As our economy is concerned, our country is concerned, the concept remains same, but the different levels are just coming as individual, group, business, and the economy, but things will remain same. So the one thing is very important, just to take care of this concept of economics as human behavior, because the choice is totally depend on my behavior. As my behavior is related, accordingly my choice is going to be. Because when you are giving the priority to your all needs due to the limitations of the resources, the choice indicates which comes on the first number, second number, third number, so on. So behavior shows how you are taking care with the limited resources to meet out all the needs and wants according to the situation, according to the time frame. So thank you so much.